Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. Do I have an amazing, undervalued, hidden gem for you guys today? I kind of think I do. It's Project Seed, or the shill token. But before I dig into that, I actually want to tell you guys you have a chance to win $100 in the shill token. It was given to us by Project Seed to be given away in a Gleam contest. So guys, thank you so much. We all know how Gleam works, so I'll leave a link in the description below, but you like, subscribe, follow, invite friends, all that good stuff. And the person with the most actions will win $100 in free shill tokens. This is amazing. It's a great free moon bag. So what is Project Seed? Let me dig into that. So Project Seed is a AAA gaming studio that utilizes multiple blockchain integration for GameFi and NFTs. I think that this project has so much potential. Why do I think that? Well, it's a gaming studio. And I've said this before, and I'll say it again, gaming studios have the most potential to succeed, especially in the next bull run, because you're not investing in a single game asset. You're investing in multiple games and a team that's developing games. So your chances for success is a lot greater, all right? I also love Project Seed's game style, their gameplay. It's beautiful, it's elegant, and they're the kind of games I personally would play. And you have to ask yourself, is this a game I would play? All right, when you look at the gameplay, if you look at the story, if this is something that you would personally play, then guess what? There's probably a lot of other people that would play it as well, all right? So don't underestimate that. And I always look at that. If I look at a gaming or a metaverse game that I'm going to be investing in, the first thing I look at is, would I play this? All right? And if the answer is no, then don't invest in it. But me personally, I look at Project Seed and I'm like, this looks cool. This is right up my alley. This is the kind of thing I would love to play, all right? And then I go and I look at a couple other factors. I look at their partners. I look at their team. So let's dig into that just a little bit. Basically, Project Seed has some amazing partners like Solana Capital, Gate.io, GameStarter, Black Mamba, just to name a few. And trust me, the list keeps going on. They've got some amazing partners, all right? So don't underestimate this. The next thing I would look at is their team. Who's in there? Who's the developers? What are they creating? What have they worked for before? So I looked at their developers, and these guys, it's a AAA list of people that have been designing great games, and they've been working on stuff like Call of Duty, or The Need for Speed, PlayStation, DreamWorks, just to name a few. Trust me, guys, don't underestimate this team. They have so much potential, all right? The next thing I was going to look at is their token price, where it's at, and where I think it can go. And right now, trust me guys, this is a true hidden gem. It's a really great price. It's a great buy. At the time of recording this video, it's sitting on a 0.018 cents, so just under 2 cents per token, okay? With a $6.5 million market cap. This is so tiny for a gaming studio of this size, quality, and caliber, and especially with a team of people that have worked for DreamWorks and PlayStation, Call of Duty. Trust me, this has moon written all over it, in my personal opinion. Now, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Do your own due diligence. I'm telling you what I'm doing, okay? I'm personally investing in this. If you want to follow me on this journey, great. This is what I'm doing. I'm investing into this. I'm going to probably put about $1,000 into this project and sit on it until this thing goes back to all-time high and beyond. I'll take some profits on the way up, like I do all my crypto projects. But this one, I really think has a great long-term utility for being a gaming studio. And like I said, I'm bullish on it. So I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. But like I said, let's get back to the tokenomics real quick. It's got a $6.5 million market cap, all right? For this thing to do 100x, it only needs to get to a $650 million market cap. Absolutely nothing, not even $1 billion, all right? Look at some of the other gaming studios out there, and I think that Project Seed can keep up with them or give them a run for their money in the coming years, coming cycles. So that's where I'm at. That's what I think about this project. I'm very bullish on it. And I would love to hear what you guys think about Project Seed in the comments below. All right, I'm going to leave it there. So guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, do me a big favor. Hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification. And make sure you go over and join our Patreon. I'll leave a link in the description below. But you guys really want to join. We have some amazing opportunities. Early buy, sell, stake alerts. It's a great community. We're creating a family. We're there to help people grow. We've got many crypto millionaires, many beginners, and we're all in there laughing, joking, making friends, and it's a great place to be. So I hope to see you in our Patreon links over in our Discord chats. And guys, I'll leave it there. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video. And one more last thing. Don't forget to smile, and we'll see you in the next video.